Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can download and install the Telegram app into your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open a web browser in our Windows. So if you have the Chrome or the Edge or Firefox, it's up to you as to what browser you want to open. So just go ahead in the Windows search bar. Now I'm going to open the Chrome browser. Click on that. In the search bar, simply type Telegram download, hit enter, and you'll find from the official website, which is for desktop.telegram.org. Simply click on this Telegram for desktop. And then you'll find here Telegram Desktop, the fast and secure desktop app perfectly synced with your mobile phone. Get Telegram for Windows, which is the 64-bit. So here, just simply click on Get Telegram for Windows. And the installer file will be downloaded from here. So this will take a while or a few minutes. So let's just wait for this in a while. Again, it's from desktop.telegram.org. Now once done, simply double click on it and then close the browser. Or you can also open the file location for that. So let's open it again. Just simply click on downloads. And then you can also click on the open file location. And then simply double click on it. And then close this window. Close also the browser. Then we need to choose the language. So we're just going to use the universal language, which is the English language. Click on OK. Then to continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, you need to click on browse. So if you want to select a different folder for this, you can simply browse from your folder for your folder. And then if I'm going to just simply leave it as it is, click on next. You can also create a start menu folder. So you can simply check this box if you want to. So click on next. You can also create a desktop shortcut, but if you don't want to, just simply uncheck that box. Click on next. Click on install. Click on finish. And Telegram will launch automatically after this has been installed into your Windows. So you just need to simply click on start messaging. And then you can scan from mobile Telegram, open Telegram on your phone, go to settings. You can also link the desktop device and then or log in using your phone number. So it's up to you. You can log in two ways. Just simply scan or log in with your phone number. So click on log in using your phone number. You can also go with quick scan from this. And here, you just need to simply type your phone number. So in my case, I just need to simply type it from here. But I'm not just going to do that because I've just shown you on how you can install the Telegram app. So for your case, you need to simply put your mobile phone number from here, or you can go with the other way of logging in into the desktop, which is from the code from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily download and install the Telegram app in your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.